First of all, this is not a tutorial, okay? This is my experience with overheating. Keep in mind this could be a lot of things in your car. For the C4, make sure your dashboard works, so you can see the coolant temperature. Start by making sure the car has coolant. You can open the radiator tab and see if it's full. What I'm doing right now in the video is I'm adding coolant to the reservoir because it was low there. Another important thing is the air deflector. If it's damaged like mine, the air won't go to the radiator so easily as it should. So it's really important that you not only you replace it, but make sure it's correctly installed. I had a hard time to remove it. But in the end I had to remove and replace the bracket, the deflector, the retainer in the baffle. As you can see, they were in really bad shape. And since you're going to remove everything, why not just clean this part, okay? It's the only part that it's painted, that it's under the car, so it's hard to clean. Well, it's a good time to get it clean, why not? One thing to keep in mind, when I installed my aftermarket, the holes I was not able to replace all the screws. I had to make new holes. Once you got it installed, go under the car, make sure everything is fixed, so you can drive it in the highway without losing it. The air will hit that part, and the part will go down and the other part will go up to the radiator to cool it. Then it's time to take it to a test drive. When cruising, the temperatures never go really high because the damper provides enough air to the engine. But when you are in a city environment, things are different, okay? When you're stopped at a red light, usually the temperature starts to go higher and higher. Keep in mind the C4 Corvette runs at a higher temperature than a regular car. In the C4 it can go to 100 or 110, that's normal. Then, at those temperatures, the fan of the radiator kicks in. Now while I was going home, I noticed my car was reaching 120 degrees Celsius, which was kind of hot. When I popped up the hood, the radiator fan was not working. So that was my problem.
Okay, as you guys know, the fan was not working when I test drove the car. I made a simple test with a cable, like this. I touch on the positive and on the cable to the main fan. I don't know if the small one, the optional one that I have, has another cable or not. That this one is the one I'm worried more. So what I did now, okay, so it has that whole Chinese relay. I grabbed the power that came here. It has a fuse, which is great, so I took advantage of that. And then I connected it to another cable and the fan to another one. Let me show you. Okay, see? That's the fan, the blue, and the red to brown is the power. This is a plastic I'm gonna use to protect it from the rain. I'll use the tape to isolate this. It is connected, of course, because with this system, the fan, when I turn on, the car can be shut down. The fan will work because it will drain power directly from the battery, which is good to have that fuse. Yeah, I could put it over there. Cover it with some tape. What do you say? Huh? Car has power. Yeah. Moment of truth. There's nothing. Okay, that's right. Oh yeah, see?
I hope this video gave you some help. If you still have trouble after this, take it to a professional, okay? Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. The next video, the car is gonna get paint, so you don't want to miss that. Thank you.